Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only, and for those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. Through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and also a short trading lesson at the end, so please stay tuned. Okay, so let's start with a quick recap of previous video. In the previous video we looked at a number of stocks. One of them was Powerhouse Energy, ticker symbol PHE. Again, if anybody got into this, well done. This has been moving quite well. Another one that I think I was very bullish on, Vertex Energy. If anybody managed to get into that one, ticker symbol VTNR. Again, that's been moving very well upwards in momentum. At time of filming right now, it's also up in excess of 10% at $8.60. So if anybody managed to get into that one, that's good. And the other one I brought to you, ticker symbol MOSY, Moses. Did a stock analysis on that again in the previous video. Again, this one has been performing really well at time of filming. Right now, this is trading at $6.36. Right now, well up in excess of 21.37% at close of play. Okay, so today's stock analysis is for ticker symbol OEG, Orbital Energy. This is a stock that I did bring you previously with the due diligence video on this, and this has also been a stock that has been affected by market conditions and has been trending down. However, if you remember, one thing that I've always said on this channel is if there is any stock that you believe in, you do not incur any losses until you sell. And if you believe in the stock and the business fundamentals are good, the stock will certainly come back over time. The stock market always recovers. It's just a matter of being patient. So good news with Orbital Energy. Yesterday, close of play, this was up in excess of 113%. At time of filming, this was at $7.56, and I believe it's also up in the after hours. So we can see this increase here has been for some good news, so we're going to have a look at that shortly. Now let's have a look at the details of why this stock went up quite significantly. One other thing I'll be sharing in this video is a quick update on some positive news for ticker symbol ABML, American Battery Metals, and also for Powerhouse Energy, so I'll do that towards the end of the video. Before we look at the details of the breaking news for Orbital Energy, let's have a quick recap in terms of what they do. This is a page taken from the Orbital Energy website looking at the main industries and depth of expertise. So they have expertise in alternative energy, which includes solar. They're involved in petrochemical and processing. They're also involved in power and utilities. So obviously the business is forward looking, it's clean energy, and for the long term and growth, it's lots and lots of potential. I'm going to share with you now a headline from Investor Place. This is dated June the 1st, 2021, and the headline here is OEG stock, the huge news lifting Orbital Energy shares today. So let's have a look at the details. We can see here that Orbital Energy obviously is trading on the Nasdaq. We did see impressive gains yesterday. At one point it was up 70%, and we are also aware that it closed well in excess of 100%. So in terms of the reason, let's have a look at the third paragraph here. Orbital has announced extremely bullish operational update for one of its core subsidiaries, and in terms of Gibson Technological Services. So there was a deal here worth $48 million that was announced. This was the main catalyst. This is going to be leading to a huge project, resulting in Orbital shareholders getting a very good deal for the business. So the deal is basically a non-news event. It's relatively small acquisition in size. However, let's have a look at reasons why this led to a good increase in the share price. What I've done now is I've gone to the Orbital Energy website and gone to the headline news just to confirm the facts regarding this breaking news. And we can see here on the top left hand side under latest headlines, Orbital Energy Group's recently acquired subsidiary Gibson Technical Services reached agreement with TEC on a 700-mile engineering and construction project across central Mississippi. So fantastic news for the stock, and obviously we have confirmation here that Gibson Technological Services is obviously part of Orbital Energy. Okay, so according to TD Ameritrade, what the details that we had from there is that Gibson Technological Services division, which is part of obviously Orbital Energy, in terms of the value of this contract, what we're seeing from them is the value of this contract was $20 billion. So let me repeat that, $20 billion. So it's a huge project in terms of infrastructure, in terms of engineering, in terms of construction. It's for fiber optics across central Mississippi. So in terms of the share price, that is a significant factor for the increase yesterday, well in excess of 100%. So anybody who was holding this stock, certainly good news for you. So in terms of strategy now, I think after hours the stock was up. I can see this easily going to $8 very quickly. Right now, in terms of investing for a new person, it will be risky, and the reason for that is there could be a sell-off for profit taking. So if you are to invest in this stock, I would certainly wait for any potential sell-off. Once we get that movement down, I'm going to now share a positive news update for ticker symbol ABML, American Battery Metals. This is a stock that we have been closely watching on this channel. So this update is from social media. It is a tweet from CNBC's John Najarian. So let's have a look at the details of the tweet. So what he has said is, Tim, I think with its pending uplist to NASDAQ, that more of the street will add ticker symbol ABML to their green energy and ESG portfolios. That probably takes shares in the $6 to $8 range, perhaps higher by year end. So good news here. So what he is suggesting there could be an imminent position in terms of institutional investors. So that is very strong rumor. He is regarded as an expert in terms of the financial markets, and he's also from CNBC. So there is certainly some credibility in this tweet. And the final update I'd like to do is just an update for Powerhouse Energy. This was a stock that I brought to you in the previous video, and after that update there has been just another development here which was shared yesterday from Powerhouse Energy Group themselves, and we have a look at the details here. The information that they've shared with us is we are delighted to announce a second site in the UK for our technology, which will help accelerate the clean energy transition, helping to improve air quality and providing solution to plastic pollution. So good news here, and again I do expect this to be a positive catalyst for the stock, so please refer back to the previous video for Powerhouse Energy. Okay, so due to an extended stock analysis today, the next trading lesson will be in the next video. So thank you very much for joining me, and please stay tuned.